Hi guys, I'm Adam Pickard, Senior Development Chef at Tesco. Today I'm joined by Poppy O'Toole, founder of Poppy Cooks. Now we know you've been using our recipe finder tool to look for some great dishes around chicken. Today we're going to show you two very different but inspirational recipes using chicken breast. So let's get cooking. So Poppy, what are you cooking today?
I have got a delicious garam masala chicken breast with some coconut and tomato lentils with the garam masala going all the way through, and a zero waste cauliflower as well. What about you?
Chimichurri chicken carnitas. Really fun, really simple, fresh, colourful, fragrant. So let's get cooking, shall we?
I'm going to start off with my lentils. So I'm going to go with some spices, and they're going in dry.
So while you're doing your spices, I am just starting to butterfly my chicken breast. I'm just going to wash my hands and we'll crack on.
Now I can already start smelling the aromats coming from those spices.
Smells incredible.
Smells really good. I'm also going to mince some garlic.
Mine involves a pestle and mortar. So really nice, really simple, really easy. Garlic cloves in, a good twist of salt.
So I'm going to add in some olive oil. I'm going to add in my garam masala as well, the minced ginger that I've got, and I'm finishing off my garlic, just using the back of the knife to squash it down.
Perfect, so while you're doing that, I'm going to start to make the rest of my chimichurri dressing. So I've taken a good pinch of parsley, nice good pinch of oregano. Don't worry about the stalks.
So, garlic is now going in, and we just let that get toasted off slightly.
And finally for this, just some freshly chopped chilies.
Oh, the fire's going into it.
There's going to be heat in both of these dishes, which is going to be great fun. Just to bring this all together, I've got some olive oil.
So I'm also going in with my lentils. Now, one really good thing about red lentils is how cheap they are and how much actually you can get from them.
Very underrated ingredient.
So underrated.
While Poppy's cooking out the rest of her spices and her lentils, I'm just going to start marinating my chicken. So I'm taking half of my dressing. Finally, that fresh lime. So some into my chicken. A little bit to finish off my dressing. And then that juice is...
I am going to add my tomatoes in now to my lentils, and they're going to add liquid in there and a bit of freshness again. I like to use coconut milk in there.
Now I'm going to do my really quick pickled onions. So I've got some red onions sliced in here, and then in my pan, sugar, some red wine vinegar, and some water. This pickle's literally come to the boil now. Pour that over the top of my onions. Grab a quick bit of cling film. Gonna leave these to steep.
I'm going to the star of the show, the beautiful chicken breasts. They are going straight into a mixing bowl. A couple of teaspoons of garam masala, crack of salt as well, and a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm going to give them a little massage. So the cauliflower, it's zero waste. People decided that they don't want to eat the leaves, but the leaves are one of the best bits. So they're going straight onto a baking tray, and then I'm going to get the florets down, chopped down into similar sizes as everything else so it all cooks evenly.
Perfect, so while Poppy's chopping her cauliflower, I'm gonna crack on with my avocado smash. I've taken my stones out, I've cut them in half, and all I'm doing is squeezing. Simple as that. Some more lime, just because I absolutely love it. Bit of juice, and a little pinch of chili flakes. And we're just gonna smash.
So cauliflower's on a tray, a drizzle of olive oil all over, and again, going in with more garam masala. Right, they're seasoned up, and then chicken straight onto the tray, and then they're going into the oven.
So, while Poppy's going into the oven, I'm gonna char grill my chicken straight in. Get that noise, get that sizzle.
With the lentils that I've got on, you just wanna keep an eye on them because they do wanna absorb more than just the coconut. So I've got a little bit of water.
Perfect, so my chickens are ready to flip. So as you can see, we've got these really beautiful bar marks on them. While Poppy's in the oven, mine are just gonna keep flipping in the pan every minute or so, just so we cook this through nice and evenly. So my chicken's resting on the side, and I'm just gonna start using the same pan to toast my tortilla wraps. Nice and hot, nice toasted. Let's get ready to start plating, I think.
Yep, quickly chop some coriander and a bit of lime juice.
Poppy's gonna show you a really nice, elegant way of carving the chicken. I'm gonna show you something a bit more rustic.
I'm going in at an angle.
I'm just chopping straight the way through my breasts. So I'm going straight on some of my avocado smash. Next, some really nice, fresh, crisp lettuce. And then straight in with that marinated and char grilled chicken.
delightful. I'm going like full massive portion of lentils because they're delicious. I build it up with some cauliflower on there. So I'm gonna go on with this lovely chicken. And then these leaves just go on.
Looking beautifully elegant. So I'm just gonna finish off mine as well. So back to that chimichurri dressing we made. A couple of layers of that across the top. And then finally, those lovely pink pickled onions. I think it's ready for a taste test. No messing about, straight in. Delightful.
Exquisite.
So there you have it, 2 amazing, simple, quick and easy dishes made with the humble chicken breast. My chimichurri chicken carnitas.
And I've done a garam masala chicken breast with coconut and tomato lentils.
So if you want to find either mine or Poppy's recipe, head online or use the What Can I Make With tool to find inspirational recipes for any ingredient that you like. So let's go get cooking.